How to use the POS Wastages report. The POS Wastages report aggregates wastage, including total price of wastage and total quantity of units tagged as wastage, along with wastage reason. Please note you will need to be a staff member with back office app permissions, and you will need to utilize the Flipdish inventory management module through the Flipdish restaurant management app. So first, log into your point of sale back office with your email address and password. Click on the business or store name in the top right drop-down. Selecting the business name will aggregate sales data for all stores. Selecting the store name will filter data for that store only. Then click Reports in the left-hand panel. Then click Inventory. Then click Wastages. Then add your date period at the top of the page. Here are some key terms to note when looking at this report. A property is a store or location. Stock item name, this refers to the stock item you have logged in your inventory management module. For example, a 6-ounce burger patty. Unit wastage cost is the cost per unit the business incurs when the item is tagged as wastage. You define the unit measurement in your inventory module. Total price is the total price of the units. Total quantity is the total quantity of the units tagged as wastage. Along with being able to remove filters using the X button to the right of the filter, you can also drag and drop the columns to change the order. You can add and remove columns and filters using the columns and filters buttons on the right hand side of the page. To learn more about your Flipdish point of sale, go to help.flipdish.com or contact us on help@flipdish.com. Thanks for watching.